are you? Welcome to Jansi's Cooking, where cooking is made easy for families and bachelors. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.
Wow, today is Diwali. What special are you going to make today, huh? Are you going to make something sweet?
Okay, Sunny, what do you want me to make?
Ma'am, can we please make rasgulla? I always wanted to learn how to make rasgulla. Can you please teach me?
And today, as per the request, I am going to show you how to make rasgulla. Rasgulla is one of the very popular dish of India, and it started in Bengal, and it is made with milk and sugar. If you are enjoying this video, please do subscribe to Jansi's Cooking.
Let's see the ingredients. The first one is milk. You have to take whole milk, thick milk, 2 liters of them. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and few strands of saffron and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. And I am taking 3 cups of sugar. I am taking organic sugar, so the liquid of rasgulla will look brown color and the rasgullas will look brown color, not white color. And I am taking half cup of white vinegar, and you can use any measuring devices like this. And the white vinegar on the box, it should say like this, white vinegar, distilled one. And finally 1.5 liters of water. Let's see how to make paneer. Prepare like this in the sink with muslin cloth or a cotton cloth. And take a thick pan and pour milk in it. Once milk comes to boiling point, off the stove and pour vinegar. Immediately it will start breaking the milk. Mix it once like this. So now you can see. Remove it from the stove immediately and pour it into the cloth. So once you pour it, now you run the cold water tap. Run the tap for 1 minute. You can see how I am doing it. This is how we are stopping paneer from further cooking. This process will keep paneer soft, consistent. This is a very important part to understand, as the whole consistency and taste depends on how the paneer is made. Once the 1 minute running water is done, squeeze all the excessive water. Now transfer paneer to a mixing bowl. You can see how soft it is, the paneer. After transferring, now you add all-purpose flour and cardamom powder. Now you start kneading. Knead it very nicely. You can see the paneer has soft and wet feeling. If you are feeling it is too watery, you can add another tablespoon of all-purpose flour. See, nicely it is done. Take 1 tablespoon quantity in your palm and make into small round ball. When you are making it, you can squeeze it and press it hard, and then it becomes even more soft, consistent. So you can see it. It's very nice, round and soft. So all these paneer balls are ready now. Take a pressure cooker and pour 1.5 liter of water in it. Once it comes to boiling point, add 3 cups of sugar and wait for it to melt, and then add 7 to 8 paneer balls and put the lid on it and wait for 2 whistles. Once the cooker is cooled down, then you open it. Now you can see how they became double the size. Now you can transfer it to a bowl. There is another method of doing it if you don't have a pressure cooker. Take a heavy bottom pan and pour water and sugar. Here I already have sugar water, so I am using the same. So add paneer balls and put the lid on it. Cook it on medium flame for 30 minutes. See, after 30 minutes nicely they became double the size. So they are very well done. You can see the texture also clearly, very soft. Now you transfer to the bowl and add the sugar water also, and add on the top of it the saffron. Now the rasgullas are ready. See, they are brown in color instead of white because of the sugar.
Thank you so much, man. They taste so good and so yummy. Man, thank you so much for teaching me how to make rasgulla.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked my recipe. Please do try it at home and post your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Jhansi's Cooking and like my videos.